students to standard 9th maths chapter 9 areas of parallelograms and triangles, and we are in the 8th session, children. Actually this is 13th session, children, so please make a note of it. It's 13th session. So proceeding further, we move on to the next one, and that is number 14. Let's read the statement. In figure given below, AP, this one, is parallel to BQ. This one is parallel to CR. So they are parallel to each other. Okay, let me draw AP, BQ and CR. They are parallel to each other. The red lines are parallel. Okay. Prove that area of triangle AQC. Area of triangle AQC. Where is A? Here. Q here. And C is here. Alright. Let me make it green triangle. A और C को जोड़ दूं. And now C and Q. So area of this green triangle is equal to area of blue triangle PBR. P is here, B is here, and R is here. So I am making it blue colored. Alright. Children, you need vision, a good vision. आपके नजर में वो रिजल्ट खेलते होने हुए चाहिए. आपके नजर में वो रिजल्ट सामने होने चाहिए. When parallel lines are given, yes, triangles on the same base and between the same parallels have equal area. Yeah, parallelogram on the same base and between the same parallels have equal area. Or if you have a triangle and a parallelogram on same base and between the same parallels, then area of triangle is half the area of parallelogram. Alright, children, look at the green triangle. Look at that green triangle. Area of triangle AQC is equal to area of triangle PBR. Children, actually, if you look at that green triangle, you can say, you may take this part of green triangle and this part of green triangle. Actually, it is made up of 4 parts. But ये दोनों पार्ट को एक ही कंसिडर करो, ये दोनों पार्ट को एक ही कंसिडर करो. So horizontal line region of triangle ABQ and vertical line region of triangle BQC. ये दोनों को मर्ज करेंगे तो you get area of triangle ACQ. Correct? Same way, PBR, you can divide it into 2 parts. ये vertical line region and this is a horizontal line region. So this triangle and this triangle, vertical line triangle and horizontal line triangle, if you merge them, their areas become PBR, area of triangle PBR. Now look here, children. Green horizontal line triangle and blue vertical line triangle, they lie on the same base BQ and between the 2 parallels. So their areas are equal. Area of green equal to area of blue. Same way, this vertical line green region and horizontal line blue region, there are 2 triangles on the same base BQ and between the same parallels. So area of green line is equal to area of blue line. Then Euclid's property, green line plus green line will give you blue line plus blue line. Let's see data, and to prove I'm not writing. Data and to prove. Chali. Straight away I go for proof. Yes, whatever detail is given I am going to write. Okay. AP right. Here's proper black pen. AP is parallel to BQ is parallel to CR. Let's call it 1 by data. Okay, that's it. Okay, in the figure. So now you have to prove this. Children, first I'm going to take that green triangle. Thus, triangle ABQ, horizontal line wala, ABQ, and vertical line wala triangle PBQ, triangle PBQ, lie on the same base, lie on the same base, which is the same base, BQ, and between, yes, AP parallel to BQ, AP parallel to BQ. Therefore, area of green, that is ABQ, ABQ is equal to area of blue, that is PBQ, PBQ. Call it result 2. Okay, by theorem 9.3. Okay. Similarly, you can prove this too. If you want to use the word similarly, you can do directly. Similarly, we have area of green is equal to area of blue. Green is which triangle? BQC, that is vertical green line, BQC. And blue is which one? Horizontal line, BQR, BQR. Call it result number 3. Similarly, so we don't have to write all this. Okay. Bus, green plus green is equal to blue plus blue. So by 2 and 3, it follows that. Yes, sum of left hand side, area of ABQ plus area of BQC is equal to right hand side, area of PBQ plus area of BQR. Children, green line or green line, it will give you AQC. Therefore, area of triangle AQC is equal to blue line plus blue line will give you PBR, area of triangle PBR. That's it, proved. Clear, children? I hope so. Yes. Moving on to the next one, and that is number 15. All right. Let's see what is the statement. Diagonals AC and BD of quadrilateral ABCD intersect at O in such a way that area of triangle AOD, this red one, is equal to area of triangle BOC, this green one. All right. So areas are equal. Prove that quadrilateral ABCD is a trapezium. You have to prove this quadrilateral is trapezium. And what is the definition of trapezium? Yes, one pair of opposite sides should be parallel. Of course, in the figure AB and CD appears to be parallel, but you have to prove that. Children, you can use that theorem, converse. All right. When can you say AB and CD will be parallel? If triangle ACD and triangle BCD, if they have equal area, not red and green, triangle ACD and BCD, if they have equal area, then you can say these are parallel lines. Kyun? Because they are triangles on the same base and having equal area. So the two lines should be parallel by the converse theorem. All right. Okay. Let's see. Children, so how to prove triangle ACD and triangle BCD have equal area? Children, ये रेड में ये पार्ट मर्ज कर दो. करेक्ट. एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल DOC ऐड कर दो और ग्रीन में भी ऐड कर दो. सो हो गया. ऑलराइट. डेटा. See how I write. And to prove, I'm not writing. Straight away I'm starting proof. And that is this. Area of triangle AOD is equal to area of triangle BOC by data. ये डेटा में है. Children, I'm going to add this area. Area of triangle DOC is a real number. So same real numbers I'm going to add on both sides. So that is Euclid's property. Therefore, area of triangle AOD is equal to area of triangle BOC. Adding the same real number, which is area of triangle DOC. Adding area of triangle DOC on both sides. Now, AOD plus DOC gives area of triangle ACD. Alright. And BOC plus DOC, ये दोनों का total gives area of triangle BCD. That's what we wanted. i.e. triangle ACD and triangle BCD lie on same base, that is CD, and have equal areas. The areas are equal, have equal area. Therefore, CD is parallel to AB by theorem. वो theorem number मुझे याद नहीं है. Proved. Clear, children? So quite easy. That's it. That's the 15th one. Now 16th one. Alright. It is similar, but the figure is more complicated. In the figure, area of triangle DRC. कहाँ है DRC? ये. Area of the red triangle is equal to area of triangle DPC. DPC. Oh children, ये रेड ट्राइंगल और ग्रीन ट्राइंगल का एरिया इक्वल है. नाउ वी कैन सी दे आर ऑन द सेम बेस DC and have equal area. Areas are equal. So DC will be parallel to PR by that converse theorem. And one more, area of triangle BDP. BDP. Oh, ये तो पूरा वाला ये. Alright, is equal to area of triangle ARC. ARC. This one. Alright. Show that both quadrilaterals ABCD and DCPR are trapeziums. ये पहला वाला तो बहुत जल्दी प्रूव हो गया. नॉट पहला वाला, द सेकंड वन. क्यों? क्योंकि रेड ट्राइंगल एंड ग्रीन ट्राइंगल हैव इक्वल एरियाज. Alright, and they are on the same base. So DC is parallel to PR. So quadrilateral DCPR is a trapezium. वो हो गया. Now you have to prove quadrilateral ABCD is also a trapezium. That means you will have to prove CD is parallel to AB. आप देख सकते हैं CD और AB के बीच ट्राइंगल ADC है और ट्राइंगल BDC है. If you show they have equal area, they are already on the same base CD. If you show they have equal area, then AB will be parallel to CD. Hence quadrilateral ABCD will be trapezium. तो आपको ये एरिया प्रूव करना होगा. लेकिन आपके पास ACR और BDP या P या BDP ये दोनों ये ट्राइंगल देखो, ये ट्राइंगल और ये ट्राइंगल की एरिया इक्वल है. उसमें ये दोनों का भी इक्वल. इतना कट कर दो तो ये दो बच गए. सो दे आर इक्वल एंड ऑन द सेम बेस CD. सो AB इज पैरेलल टू CD. ऑलराइट, चलो डेटा एंड टू प्रूव you have to write. I'll start the proof. Second one we shall prove first. Alright. For that, yes, area of triangle, yeah, DRC. Area of triangle DRC is equal to area of triangle DPC by data, i.e. triangle DRC and triangle DPC lie on same base. कौन सा same base है? CD and have equal areas and have equal areas. Therefore, CD is parallel to PR. Therefore, quadrilateral DCPR is a trapezium. Proved. And that is second one actually, the second thing. Alright. Also, now these areas are equal. Area of triangle BDP is equal to area of triangle ARC. This red line, pura bada wala, and green line, pura bada wala. But this red line has two paths, ADC and DCR. So therefore, area of triangle ADC plus area of triangle CDR is equal to, और ये वाला बड़ा वाला भी टू पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करो, एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल BDC प्लस एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल CDP, एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल CDP. ऑलराइट, बट DRC एंड DPC, CDP कहो या DPC कहो, इट्स वन एंड द सेम लगेगा. और यहां DRC CDR की जगह पे DRC, सिर्फ नाम बदला, ट्राइंगल सेम है. नाउ दिस आर इक्वल, देखो ये दोनों का इक्वल है. सो देयरफॉर एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल ADC प्लस, इंस्टेड ऑफ DRC आई कॉल इट DPC, एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल DRC की जगह पे DPC इज इक्वल टू एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल BDC प्लस एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल DPC. DPC area cancel, and hence you got area of triangle ADC equal to area of triangle BDC. ये वाला, see this and this, i.e. triangle ADC, ये दोनों, and triangle BDC lie on same base, which is the same base, yes, CD, and have equal area and have equal areas. Therefore, AB is parallel to CD by converse theorem. Therefore, quadrilateral ABCD is a trapezium. Proved. 2. In fact, that is first one, right? All right, children. That's all. We have completed the exercise. See you in the next session with some objective questions. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice day, children.